finna deep fry these ribs, and then put that Harold's Mound sauce on there on some Chicago stuff. This Malik on Business, aka the Big Backaholic. And yeah, I'm finna get it going. You know, I like marinating my meat in cut water because it gives it a little tang. You feel me? Just a little bit today because I'm deep frying this. I'm just using the cut water as a binder, you know? So yeah, I'm getting up all up in there. Wait right there, let me get that towel. You pause it right there. Pause it. Keep going with it. You kept one? Kept one? Okay. Now I'm finna get my little seasonings going. You know? Like that, my cayenne pepper. Next time I'm gonna have this already on. Next time I'm gonna have this already pre-prepped. But yeah, we like it spicy over here. Y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe to my page. That's Malik on Business. You know, trying to put together something that y'all will like. And you know, if I like it, I know y'all gonna like it. I know y'all gonna love it. That's how I move. I do the food. Good food rather. Yeah, man. A lot of times people be overhyping stuff for the wave. You know? And sometimes stuff don't even be as good as they saying it is. Oh man, if you try like this, it's a bomb, it's a hit. Man, whole time, man, y'all just be over exaggerating rather. Excuse me. Shout out to that boy. He always saying that. Chicago stuff right there. Yeah, man, so I'm gonna hit it. Season it all up real good, you know. Make sure y'all get that bind off of there too. Now on my baby backs, I did some baby backs, and I did these ones already cut right here. So what you gonna want to do is, cause I was just trying. I done fried these before, the baby backs, but I done fried these ones before. I never fried the baby backs all the way, so you know, that's what I'm finna do now. I done fried the ones that was cut already. So man, you know, get back over here, hit it one more time on this side, boom, 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 boom. My cayenne pepper, you know. Hit it with my Famous Dave's. Ooh, famous. I remember in Bloomington, they had a Famous Dave's restaurant. I wonder if they still up and going. Hit it with my grill mate. Hit my grill mate on the other side. Let me go back over. I hit it. Okay. My wifey just said I did. Gotta watch my pressure, so I don't want to overseason something. Light on the garlic. I told her though, when they start going that flour and that cornstarch, you already know what it is. And for a binder, I'm gonna use my little Japanese sauce for my binder. Why is this not open? What's going on with that? Okay. Hold on, you guys gonna improvise. Oh shit.
That's enough.
That's enough right there. I'm gonna hit it. I'm gonna massage it like I'm a masseuse therapist. After a long day's work, when baby come home, gotta get up in there, get up in them gristle tissues. This dish right here, we only gonna do some fries with this, some home seasoned fries. We only gonna, we gonna hit it like that. Just something simple, man, because the highlight of this dish is the mild sauce. You know what I'm saying? We strictly under the Chicago Act with this one. We strictly under the Chicago Act. We gonna do a couple of wings too. Dab me right quick, baby. Dab my face right quick. Thank you. That get me right quick. Yeah, so I'm done prepping it, done seasoning it. I'm gonna let it sit for about a couple of hours, and then y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna put it all together for y'all. Show y'all how it came out when I drop it in that hot grease. Tap in, man. It's me, the Big Backaholic, Malik. I'll holler at y'all. Cutting it long with the backside, so I won't run into the bones. I'm cutting. And it's okay to leave that fat on there, because that's what's going to make it cook real good in that grease when you deep fry them, Remember, that's coming from the Big Backaholic, Get them all up in here. Get all up in here. Real good, like. Turn around the YouTube on. Y'all see I'm struggling on the YouTube back, but I'm making some decent content. It's just they sleep on me right now. So, go ahead and tap in with me, man. I ain't finna put no bogus content out here. Everybody eat. So everybody eat, And I ain't get this big from eating garbage. Well, I got this big from eating stuff I ain't had no business eating. But that's neither here nor there. But I'm gonna put some decent content out here for y'all. And this episode is brought to you by my brand, Ounces Luxury Apparel. And And the reason why it's called ounces is because I don't lose pounds, I be losing ounces, you know? I'm slim and slow. I'm slim and slow, as y'all can see. But this active wear, you know? Good quality athletic wear. But you know, you hit the gym, you know? You'll see me in it. Yeah. Like I said, everything full sale. Ain't nothing on sale yet. Everything's full sale. Right. I'll be back in a second. Let me go ahead and put this up. No, pull one out, man. Okay, go. Just sit it and show it over here.
It's oil right there.
There's oil right there? Share at Malik on Business. Follow my wife at Fit Girl 053 on TikTok. And you know, cause she do her thing. She taught me it. You know, I was a restaurant guy. You know. Family that eats together and prays together, stays together. Remember that. That's what you need to know about our community. You know, don't let them use them little tactics, the free stuff, and all that to divide your household. Don't get used to relying on benefits to let them divide your household. I'm not speaking for the independent women. I'm not speaking for them. I'm speaking for the families, the two-parent black households. That's who I'm speaking for. You know what I'm saying? To a certain extent, I was raised in a two-parent household, but it wasn't my father. It was my stepfather. I thought he was a motherfucker back. Excuse me. I thought he was MF back then, but he was dropping jewels on me. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, to a certain extent, he raised me to be the man that I am. And the most thing I remember was him loving on my mom. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, I love me and mine. That's why I'm cooking for these people. I'm always try to do what I can, because there's a lot of times, you know, she be on the move, she be on the go. So if she tell me to take something out, I'm gonna take it out. And I like the way her food tastes sometimes better than my food. And I think that it's all in your psyche, because we be like, man, why your food don't taste like my food the whole time? It's because it's a little bit of extra in it when it's being served and prepared to you by the person that you love. So that's why I always tell her I like her cooking better than my cooking. Let her tell her she don't give a fuck about my cooking. Now, you can't cook, ooh. I'm like, how you be saying that when I showed you everything I know? I introduced you to bell pepper honey. I introduced you to all these exotic seasonings. You was just doing seasoning salt when I met you. You feel me?
Okay. Yeah.
So, you know, it's all good. Boom. I'll holler at you and show y'all the end result. Like and subscribe. Malik on Business. Big back home. One time. Be quiet. I'm be quiet. We got hells at the house. Ding, 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 ding.
Finna do these ribs, man. It's real 10.
Real time. We finna fry these baby backs. We got the pan of chicken already ready. You know I eat it fresh out the grease, baby. You know I don't care. I'm a big back of home. I don't like that one. That one cool, but you know I like it. I like it.
There you go.
That one right there.
What?
You know, like he cool.
Alright, that's enough. We're finna eat all together.
Okay.
Think he been sitting.
What you do with my plate?
This place up, clean it up.
Clean my plate.
The bones. It was a bunch of bones on there.
Okay. You have my plate again, baby? Okay. Thank you, love.
We could honestly use the ribs on the opposite side.
Yep.
So big enough.
That's what we're gonna do. Man, you know, baby
Be
did
careful, that's hard.
baby did these wings, man. What's your name? On TikTok, she is Fit Girl 23. No, it's Fit Girl 053 on TikTok. That's Fit Girl 053 on TikTok. That's my wife, and she seasoned the wings and she fried them.
Ready, please?
You know.
The ribs been marinating.
The baby backs been marinating for 3 hours. Boom, boom, boom.
Now we about to get ready to toss them.
We about to toss them and flour them. But yeah. These wings.
Gloves, or you want me to continue?
You already cleaned your hands. I trust you. Everything was for aesthetics anyway, but I'm not cooking for the masses. I'm cooking for my family, you know. But yeah, I'm finna get ready to pass this back to you, because I want to try this one again. Yeah.
Just click off. You gonna look at it.
Yeah, I'm gonna click off.
Because I need to put this back in and run it grease.
Okay.
And then I'll get it. Give me just 1 second.
Let me drop these wings though. Let me drop them baby backs. The big bag of Holly can drop these baby backs.
It's warm.
just like they chicken. And you gotta you gotta get a regular size wing. You can't get them big steroid wings. You gotta get a regular size wing. You understand what I'm saying? That's where y'all be messing up at. A lot of y'all be getting them wings with them drugs in them. This farm red, this comes from Whole Foods. So you're gonna pay a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, small or regular size wing, get that. And if I bought this to you, you gonna think that I got it from my man in the Harold's Ice Box over there in Riverdale. You know what I'm saying? That's the Harold's I go to. Them my people. All them other Harold's, but when we chill and we do our thing, we over there. But this right here, I can put this on DoorDash. I can put this on Uber Eats, and I'ma wrap it up. Taste that, man. What you want to show them? Keep it rolling. I just want you to bite this, baby. What you think?
Great. Love it. For your own chicken, get y'all some Harold's mild sauce. Put it on there, put it on the side.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever you like. But yeah, baby, you'll never go back.
I think it tastes so good because we did it together. You know, people always want to go on base together. One people watch, one people prep the food, one person cook the food. And we in here, we discussing stuff, discussing how was the day. Kids put up chest, kind of calm down to eat. And I think that's why the food tastes so good, extra good, because there's love in it. You know what I'm saying? We put a little love in it. You know?
Yeah, I agree.
But if you don't put no love in your food, man, and there ain't no love in your household, man, I don't know where we gonna be as people. Humanity's crazy right now. Good food is not happy, baby. My comfort zone right here. Shit, yeah. Every time I get the dog out, either we gotta make some good food, or we gotta go get some good food. You feel me? And I know her love language. I can't tell you about your woman love language, but with the house clean and everything, you know, bills paid, and we chilling. And this during the week, this nice stuff, this during the week. If all that's going down, man, your household gonna run like a real fine-tuned machine, man. Man, you women and you guys who going from bed to bed every night, man, y'all can't tell me y'all happy, man. Y'all can't tell me you happy eating out there at night. This what it's about, man. This what it's about, man. And Hell's Chicken ain't gave me a dime. I'm just on some Chicago stuff here. You know what I'm saying? Oh, shout out to my brother Tone in Nashville. He the one told me to try them fried ribs back then, a couple years ago. And you know, since I ain't been on no eating no pork or nothing, I've been on my little health kick. That's why I ain't, you know, I only did it a couple of times. But just a cheat day, just a cheat night, you know what I'm saying? So man, the big backaholic, he ain't sparing it. he ain't gonna spare it. You know, swine is fine tonight. You know what I'm saying? I repeat, every now and then, swine is fine. So with that being said, and we gonna, you know what I'm saying? We gonna show y'all the finished product in 1 second. I'll let y'all. Okay, got it. Let me get that last one.
Is it one? It's one more?
There's one more. Let me get it.
I think it's right there.
Let me get it. Let me get it. I got it. Look at that. Look at that. It's a joint effort. Nah, this one ain't going over there. Psych. That motherfucker going right here. It's going right here to the casualties. You see the casualties? You see the casualties? I'm gonna show y'all 1 second. I'm gonna put this Harold's chicken mild sauce on these fried baby backs, baby, and see what it do. I don't like drowning mine. Some people like drowning their stuff. I like just because the seasoning is so good on here. You ain't gotta drown.
Look at brown.
Look at it.
Oh, you already took a little bite. Look at you.
Yeah, I took a little bite. I had to make sure it was cool. I had to make sure the internal temperature was cool. You know what I'm saying? So you wanna fry this like how you really.
Show the people to eat it while it's hot.
Okay.
Okay. Our first time.
You let milk come out and it's super tender. Oh man. I think they need to put this on their menu now.
Some menu.
I'm talking about we're doing a collab, you know, with the sauce. I think they need to put the address to their menu, and they'll be winning.
I agree. Good.
Yeah, now and then, swine is fine. I ain't talking to you Blackstones, L. Wookers, you know what I'm saying? You Muslims. You know, y'all probably have to dip off me. You know what I'm talking about? We ain't gonna get into that. That neither here nor there. But you know, hey, we snap with this one. It's tender too. That's real tender. Yeah. Hey, my name is Malik, and I'm a big backaholic. And this is the reason why it's taking so long for me to unbig my back. Check it out.
That part.
You see I'm sweating, right?